What if the very technology that could revolutionize computing is also the one that could destroy Bitcoin as we know it? Quantum computing is advancing fast, and in its crosshairs, the $2 trillion Bitcoin network. In the next decade, quantum machines might break the cryptography that keeps your crypto safe. And believe it or not, 25 to 30% of all Bitcoins are already exposed. Today, we're breaking down the threat, the timeline, the crypto industry's defenses, and why experts think the real danger could arrive sooner than you think. Bitcoin's security depends on cryptographic algorithms, specifically the elliptic curve digital signature algorithm for verifying transactions and SHA-256 for mining. Right now, these are rock solid against traditional computers. Cracking them would take billions of years. But quantum computers are different. They use qubits, which can exist in multiple states at once, allowing them to run certain algorithms at speeds that blow classical computing out of the water. Two algorithms are at the center of this threat. Shor's algorithm, capable of deriving private keys from public keys, potentially letting hackers access wallets without permission. Grover's algorithm speeds up brute-forcing SHA-256 hashes, giving quantum miners a competitive edge. Shor's is the real killer here, and it could target millions of older Bitcoin addresses whose public keys are already exposed. That includes some legendary ones, like Satoshi Nakamoto's own stash. We're talking about 6 to 7 million Bitcoins at risk, roughly 1/3 of the total supply. Many are in addresses from Bitcoin's early days when security practices were looser. The main problem? Once a public key is visible on the blockchain, a quantum computer could, in theory, reconstruct its private key. Some of the most vulnerable assets include coins in pay-to-public key P2PK addresses, reused P2PKH addresses, dormant wallets untouched for over a decade. Even if quantum computers can't crack these today, there's a concept called harvest now, decrypt later, where hackers store encrypted blockchain data now, waiting for the day quantum power is strong enough to break it. So when will this actually happen? Opinions vary. Optimists say we have until 2035 before quantum machines get dangerous. Pessimists warn of a Q-day as early as 2028 to 2030. Right now, the most advanced quantum computers, like Google's 105-qubit Willow or IBM's 1,000-qubit prototypes, are nowhere near the millions of fault-tolerant qubits needed to break Bitcoin's cryptography in real time. But breakthroughs are coming faster than expected. From Microsoft's Majorana-based chips to quantum error correction improvements that could slash the required qubit count. If that tipping point arrives suddenly, Bitcoin's defenses will be stress-tested overnight. There are two main attack vectors. Storage attacks, targeting coins and addresses with exposed public keys. Shor's algorithm could derive private keys, steal coins, and move them instantly. This is the bigger, more realistic risk. Transit attacks, exploiting the brief window between when you send a transaction and when it's confirmed on the blockchain. A quantum-equipped attacker could forge signatures and redirect funds. This is harder, needing billions of qubits and near-instant speed. The crypto industry isn't just waiting for disaster. It's moving toward post-quantum cryptography, PQC. In 2024, NIST finalized quantum-resistant algorithms like Crystal's Kyber and Crystal's dilithium. These could replace ECDSA entirely. Developers are exploring proposals like pay-to-quantum-resistant hash, P2QRH, which use lattice-based or hash-based cryptography immune to Shor's algorithm. We're also seeing hybrid approaches, where a transaction must be signed using both a classical and quantum-resistant key, giving Bitcoin time to transition without a messy hard fork. Some projects, like Quantum Resistant Ledger, QRL, and Algorand, are already using quantum-proof algorithms. And quantum tech isn't just the enemy. Innovations like quantum key distribution, QKD, could make wallets virtually unhackable. If Bitcoin fails to adapt in time, the fallout could be catastrophic. Mass theft of dormant or vulnerable coins. A price crash from lost confidence. Dormant wallets flooding the market, increasing supply. On the flip side, successfully upgrading to PQC could boost trust and attract institutional investors, especially as funds like BlackRock already flag quantum risk in their SEC filings. Here's the bottom line. Quantum computing will change the security game, but the threat isn't here yet. The consensus is we have at least 5 years to prepare. Still, if you hold Bitcoin, now is the time to move coins to non-reused, quantum-safe wallets. Follow Bitcoin improvement proposals on PQC adoption. Stay informed, because when Q-Day comes, the market won't give you a warning. So, is quantum computing the beginning of the end for BTC?